Hello everyone, today I'll be giving you an introduction to an RTC board. So this is basically designed by Tenet Technetronics, and this RTC is a great battery packed real-time clock that allows the microcontroller project to keep track of time even if it is reprogrammed or power is lost. So we do have power losses, at times we may lose our data that had been using. So this RTC serves a better purpose for that. Perfect for data logging, clock building, time stamping, timers, alarm, etc. and for many other applications. It has an IC called DS1307 serial time clock. So it is a low power, fully binary coded decimal clock calendar plus 56 bytes NVS RAM it has. So address and data are transferred serially through an I2C bidirectional bus. So we'll just see what is that bidirectional bus in later. The clock calendar provides seconds, minutes, hours, day, time, month and all the year information. The end of the month is automatically adjusted for months with fewer than 31 days, including corrections for leap year. The clock operates in either 24 or 12-hour format with the AM/PM indicator based on the user. The DS1307 has a built-in power sense circuit that detects power failures and automatically switches to the backup supply. So here we can see this. So it has the coin cell. So this is basically used when the power gets switched off. So when there is no power supply, so this acts as a battery and it makes this board to work on. So even if there is no power supply, this keeps the board running with this battery. So we don't lose information and we have all the timings, everything that is required for the user. So die keeping operation continues while the part operates from the backup supply. So here we can see the IC, that is DS1307, and there is an LED which blinks when we give switch on, and here we can see 5 pins. Okay, so the first one is VCC and the last one is ground, and between we have 2 pins. That is for the I2C protocol connector. This development board can be used for many development boards like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, for many devices that we require. And before I've been explaining to you RTC, that is a real-time clock. So what is an RTC? An RTC is a real-time clock. It's basically just like a watch. It runs on a battery and keeps time for you even when there is a power outage. So using this RTC, we can keep track of long timeliness even if you reprogram your microcontroller or disconnect it from the USB or a power plug. And we do have an I2C bus, that is a protocol. So that is DS1307 supports the I2C protocol. So a device that sends data onto the bus is defined as a transmitter and a device receiving data as a receiver. The device that controls the message is called a master. So ultimately, when there is a master, we do have a slave. So devices that are controlled by a master are referred to as slaves. The bus must be controlled by a master device that generates the serial clock that controls the bus access and generates the start and stop condition. So here we have, so this acts as a master and this DS1307 operates as a slave on the I2C bus.